Hi guys, we're back. 05 to 09 Outbacks. They're all the same. I'll show you guys how to replace this windshield, this tailgate wiper motor. Very simple. It's held on by three number 10s. There's 1, 2, and 3, and obviously power. First things first though is if you spread this guy, it's just held on by these little 4 guys. Just spread them like that and it'll pop right out. There's a 10 right there. Pull that 10 out. Don't lose that 10. The 10 is and then you just pull this way and push down one time like this, and it will release itself from the mechanism. Three number 10s, guys. There's one here, one here that just fell, and then one right here. Once you remove these 3 10s, there he goes. This is the wiper motor. So if you need to replace this motor, that's how you do it.